Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you to the Icebreaker activities in this course. And at this point you should be watching a video that's showing up on your screen here. At this point I'm in the process of creating the video, so you don't see that video in there yet. But on the left hand side, when you go into the Icebreaker activities, you'll see a table of contents. And across the top you see that there's actually 6 pages to this particular section of the course. So if I use the arrow, I can go to the second page in here, and you can see a breakdown of what you should be doing in this particular module or unit. And in Icebreakers, basically what I want you to do is just introduce yourself to the class, and you're going to submit an assignment about what you're going to do if anything were to happen and you could not submit your work. So we're going to talk about that in a second. But as you go down through, it's always important to make sure that you read the what's due run at the beginning of every single one of the units. And in this particular one, there is a video that will tell you how to go in and participate in online discussions. So if you've never done an online course before, or if you've never done a Blackboard discussion, I suggest that you watch this. All right. Now, also in here, I've got a document in here stating that all discussions in this course require 3 posts. Okay, the initial post that you answer the question for the discussion itself, and then that's worth 50% of the grade, and then you have 2 other posts that you have to reply to 2 of your other classmates, and those are each worth 25% of that final grade of that discussion. Every discussion in this course is graded, so it's very important to make sure that you do the 3 posts that you're supposed to do. Also, please take the time to run the spell checker. Don't use text ease. Use full sentences, use proper grammar, things like that for your discussions. So there is a discussion in this particular module, and this is where you're introducing yourself to the rest of the class. And I'd like you to just kind of talk about yourself, read the instructions. That will give you some ideas of what you can actually talk about in the first post, and then reply to 2 of your other classmates. Just something nice like, oh yeah, I live in Lockport too, and I have, I'm trying to do 2 jobs and go to school, and I'm in the same boat that you're in, that type of thing. Okay, so when you go into a discussion, you're going to see the instructions, and then you're either going to hit click to launch, or you're going to click on the top where it says open the name of the discussion. Okay, and then once you go into the discussion, it's actually, mine are going to open up in a separate window, and when you're ready to go in and actually post the discussion, you're going to create a thread. Okay, and that will put you into the discussion itself. Okay, now just so you can see, it actually opened up a second tab at the top. So I'm going to go back into the course. Okay, and now the last part of this particular unit is the computer backup plan. Now this plan is where you want to read this information. It tells you what to do if you're having problems with your computer, your internet, things like that. And you need to tell me what your backup plan is going to be. What's going to happen if you lose internet connection, if your computer goes down, things like that. Also, very highly recommend that you do not wait till the last minute to do your work, because that's always when things happen. And if you have a backup plan and your computer goes down and your assignment's due in 20 minutes and it's 11:45 at night, you have no way to get to a library or go to a friend's or go to your parents' house. So it's very important to make sure you don't wait till the last minute to do your assignments. Okay, so this is the breakdown of the Icebreaker for introduction to keyboarding. So, take the time to go in and look at things and start getting used to the course. All right.